So today we're going to add lettering to your front cover. Now if you haven't already watched the video in which I show you how to draw out the basic shapes, then you need to go back and watch that one first. And this is what we did in the last video. So this is really just a recap and to show you how, using the techniques in the other video, you can actually create a nice front cover. So I'm going to start out with some guidelines for my name. And again, I'm going to use the thickness, only the width of the ruler. It makes it a lot easier if you want straight lines. So I've got my guidelines there. And then I'm just going to write Ms. LAD. So very lightly sketching in my letters because I know that I might make mistakes and it's very hard to rub out really dark lines. So just drawing my M in really carefully. And then the S, it's a snowman shape, come in, around, pick up that line and across. And then the L is a straight line down or a diagonal line down and a little line across. The A, 2 diagonal lines. The D, 1 straight line down. And then the semicircle. So I've just really lightly sketched that in. And then I'm just going to go in and add in my more confident line. So I'm putting a bit more of a graffiti style on this. Once I've got my basic shape, I can add any style I like on top. Remember, you can go above or below the line as well. The guidelines show you where the body of the text should stay. So there's I'm quite happy with that, my name. Right, the next thing, if you want to do curved guidelines, it is just basically then drawing 2 curved lines and then you just keep your writing again inside those lines. Touch the top and the bottom letter onto those lines and you can't go wrong. And then again, I'll just go over those in the style that I want to do. And then I'll just show you how to do the numbers 8 for year 8. This little snowman with 2 circles inside. 7. It's like an upside down L. And then 9 is a bit like a lowercase q. And then when you're happy with those, you just get a rubber and rub out any of your guidelines that you don't need. And then just go over the bits you've rubbed out. Okay, then if you have time, you might want to go over this again in a fine liner, just so that it stands out a bit more. Try to use nice, confident lines. And then this is just a very quick way of creating 3D lettering by using a diagonal line coming off the letter, the same angle every time, and then just thickening up the line. So same angle and then echoing the line next to it. Okay, so today you are going to do your front cover. You're going to put your full name, your form and your art set. That's all the information we need. Please use guidelines. Draw lightly in case you make a mistake. And then let's see what you can do in an hour.